Hi, I'm Dominic Delacroix, owner of Eden Construction. I've been in the building industry for many years with a degree in quantity surveying. Eden Construction is based in George, in the Garden Route, with projects in the surrounding area. Eden Construction is a construction and home development company, running projects from start to completion. We have a hands-on approach in all areas which sets us apart from our competitors. The Eden Construction team is committed to an on-time and in-budget delivery of our projects. Some of the services we offer: construction, including project management and energy efficient choices, helping clients search for suitable properties or plots, alterations and additions, project costing and material suggestions to keep costs in line with the budget, alternative energy sources. Please do contact us at Eden Construction for a free quotation. Thank you.